Good morning, all of you. Today I am going to lecture 1 of Unit 3rd, Raman spectroscopy. So, we are discussing what about Raman spectroscopy. So, we start from Raman spectroscopy. So, origin of the Raman spectrum. When a monochromatic radiation of frequency is passed through a non-absorbing medium, it is found that most of it is transmitted without any change and some of it is scattered. So, if scattered energy is analyzed by means of spectrometer, the bulk of energy is found at frequency of the incident beam, but a small portion of the scattered energy will be found at the frequency. The scattering of radiation will change of frequency is called Raman scattering. As in the figure, we are showing that when the incident will ray come on the any objects and it will be reflected, some will be observed, some will be transmitted, some will be the scattered. So this is called origin of the Raman spectrum. Okay, when light is scattered from a molecule, most photons are elastically scattered. The scattered photons have the same energy as the incident photons. However, the small fraction of light is scattered at the optical frequency usually lower than the frequency of the incident photons. The Raman scattering can occur with a change in the vibrational, rotational, or electronic energy of a molecules. The term effect usually means vibrational Raman effect only. The difference in the energy between the incident photon and Raman spectral photon is equal to the energy of vibrations of the scattering molecule. A plot of the intensity of scattered light versus energy difference is Raman spectrum. Basic principle of Raman spectroscopy we are shown in the figure. Diagram is already shown in the figure. Relay scattering occurs when the incident EM radiation induces an oscillating dipole in the molecules which is irradiated at the same frequency. Raman scattering occurs when monochromatic light is scattered by molecules and the scattered light has been weakly modulated by the characteristics frequency of the molecules. In the figure we are showing the some electron state with the their level, and the zero level show the minimum state where the electron charge carry is very low energy, and the third and 3 number state is show the high energy state where show the high energy level states. So light is scattered by the sample at the various angle by momentary absorption to vertical state and re-emissions. Some scatter emissions occurs at the same energy level while others return in the different. This is a spectrum diagram when the some scatter emissions occurs at the same energy while other return in the different states. The elastics collision between photon and molecule result in a no change in energy. Inelastic collision between photon and molecules result in a net change in a energy. The Raman effect arises when photon is incident and molecules and interact with the electric dipole. It is uniform electronic spectroscopy, although the spectrum contains vibration frequencies. In classical terms, the interaction can be viewed as a perturbations of the molecule's electric field. In quantum mechanics, the scattering is described as an excitation to a virtual state, lower energy than a real electronic transition with a nearly coincident de-excitation and a change in the vibration energy. The scattering event occurs in the 10 to 14 seconds or less, thus the virtual state description of scattering. In figure we are showing the Raman spectroscopy. So computer CC detectors, sample cells, focus lens, mirror, neutral density filter, lasers, bandpass filter, polycomputers, camera lens, notch filter. We are using these all components are connecting in Raman spectroscopy. So a Raman spectroscopy typically consists of 4 major components. First one is excitation source laser, second is a sample illumination system and collection optics, third is a wavelength selector, fourth one is a detector. This is the block diagram we are show of the Raman spectroscopy. Again, this is on the internal diagram of a Raman spectroscopy: laser, window, interference filters, iris diagram, scatter collector, sampling, objective lens, spectrometer, entrance, excitation collector, mirror. Advantage and disadvantage: quality information, characteristic region for a different group as in IR. Thermal correlation charts available, good for accuracy based and sample used for variety of samples, organic, inorganic and biological. Quantitative information not routinely used in fewer technical problems. Resonance Raman spectroscopy allow detection of 10 to the power -3 to 10 to the power -7 mega by using laser light. Okay, that's all about this presentations. So we go on next spectroscopy in lecture 2. Thank you.